Welcome. In today's video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to turn off light mode and enable dark mode on Facebook using your PC. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Facebook by typing facebook.com into the address bar. Once the page loads, log into your account if you haven't already. Next, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy, and then click on Settings. This will take you to Facebook's main settings page. Now, look for the dark mode option in the settings menu. Click on it to access the dark mode settings. Finally, you'll see three options: On, Off, and System. To enable dark mode, simply choose On. Instantly, your Facebook interface will switch to a darker theme, reducing glare and making it easier on your eyes. And that's it. You've successfully turned off light mode and enabled dark mode on Facebook using your PC. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching.